This is one of the most cost-effective things you can do to maintain your home and your air conditioning efficiency. So you can get products like this for cleaning your condenser unit. Most people think about this as their air conditioning unit. Pretty straightforward process. Turn off the power at the panel box, and then also as a backup you'll have a service disconnect like this. In this case I've had it off and I put it back on, so you just pull this out and there's the on position, and while you're working on it you can put that in the off position so that you won't have power running to your unit. And then as easy as taking 4 screws off. These happen to be 5/16 hex heads. Set the fan to the side and spray that foam on the inside of the coil. So those are the little fins that look like a radiator, and then you can also spray it on the outside. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how dirty your unit is. While this is off, you can clean out any debris that might be on the inside, such as leaves and grass and such. And then you want to use a gentle garden hose pressure. Definitely don't use a power washer because you'll bend these fins and or break them. So something that's just a little more than a gentle soaking rain, about like that, is all you want. You don't want to use your jet setting on your hose. And then take the hose and start from the top to the bottom. Just rinse out these fins because the air is being drawn through these fins as a cooling action. So you can push any debris that's in there out through the fins and then rinse it again from the outside. And since this is looking for a way to cool itself, kind of like a radiator would, keeping those fins clean and free of debris around the area really increases the efficiency of the unit. And this is something a homeowner can do. If you're willing to wash your car, you should be able to take care of this on your own and save yourself anywhere from $60 to $180 for a service call with cleaning. Hope that helps.